Oh my god, guys, look at this. Hi guys, my name is Tina. I'm traveling around the world and I'm currently in Lima. And in this video I'm going to show you the best places, including photo spots and cafes and restaurants that you have to visit when you come to Lima. I decided to take an Uber because Ubers here are not very expensive. This place I'm staying at recommended Cabify to me, but in order to use Cabify or several other apps I actually need to have a working phone number to register, which I don't, so I'm taking Uber for the moment being. But I was told that Uber is not maybe the safest option here in Peru, Lima. Yes, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Barranco is one of Lima's most artistic and bohemian districts, and you can find a lot of cafes, restaurants, bars, museums, theaters, and so on. You can do several things here, but its most famous landmark has to be the bridge of... I just found it. I was really nervous about filming here in Lima because I heard that you have to be really careful with your phone and camera. But luckily I'm really early. Guys, I'm standing now in front of the famous Bridge of Sighs, El Puente de los Suspiros. See what I did there? There are basically two things that I heard about the Bridge of Sighs. One is that if you come here with your partner and you're holding hands crossing the bridge and you're able to hold your breath for the whole time, you will be together. So I don't know which of these is true, but they are all really nice and of course we're going to try that. Something else that you will find here in the Barranco district is this cathedral, Iglesia La Ermita. Right now I'm standing on Plaza de Armas here in Barranco. Somebody in the comments let me know what this actually means, this name, because you can find Plaza de Armas in different cities, in different towns. Before we continue our quest, I want to find something for breakfast. So guys, it's finally time for breakfast. I got an avocado teriyaki toast, which is just amazing. Wow. This was a really good breakfast. Can highly recommend this place. Like, it didn't look that Instagrammable whatsoever, but whoa. In this area you can also see all the wall paintings, the murals, and it's incredible. There are so many really good ones. I just came down this road where the cafe was that I just went to, but you can also go from the Bridge of Sighs, then you come this way basically, and I'm here on the way that leads down to the beach. Down there, and it's also perfect to just take a walk. Got my Uber ride to the city center, and I thought before I go to my next destination I will get a coffee here. That was a nice break. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I'm usually not the type to go to a lot of museums, but this one I thought I have to go to. It's one of the most famous tourist attractions in Lima. It is a museum and the best researched archaeological site in the city. I've read that online before, but you have to take a tour. If you're buying a ticket for this place, it starts at a certain time, so I had to wait a couple of minutes, but no, they let me in. That I'm here in Lima climbing on top of a pyramid, and look at that. We just saw some llamas and alpacas. Really cool. You pay around 15 soles and you get this whole tour for about 1 hour and a nice tour guide. Here in the background you can see the Amano Textile Museum. It's named after a Japanese businessman, Yoshitaro Amano, who made valuable contributions to this collection. And it's an international renowned museum. I'm pretty sure that I'm not allowed to film inside, but check it out. Was not the worst museum I've ever been to, but also if you're not really into textiles, it's maybe not for you. Like it was so much more expensive than the other one, and the other one was so much more like open air and interactive. Today we're starting our day in Lima city center, or maybe historic center, but before we're going to see anything, I really want to get breakfast. I'm really surprised about how different this place is from where I went yesterday. And this is really like a big city center. It's not so beautiful that the Barranco district so far. That's my first impression, which is why the selection wasn't really as good. I arrived at the Plaza Mayor de Lima, and here you got the cathedral, which is on this side. It's all in one place. And then you got the government palace on this side, back there. Sounds really nice. Now I'm standing in front of the Church of San Francisco, or however this name is pronounced. You can enter it, but only by guided tour. This place is so nice for photos, but I'm too afraid to try to take selfies here because of what I heard. Like yesterday I felt a bit safer, but today here just like way too many people. I really wanted to have at least one picture here in front of the cathedral, so I came back here and I just asked one guy that really looked like a tourist. He had a camera too, and he was from Europe, really nice. But also like tour guides are really good photographers most of the time. Where I should get lunch, but I found a really good place. Look at this. I just hope I can afford this. I decided today to try ceviche for the first time, which is like a dish that you kind of have to try coming to Peru, Lima. Hope it's good. Never eaten this before. She asked me if I wanted it spicy, and I was like, So she was like, a little bit, and I was, yeah, sure. Oh, this is so good. The sauce is like lemon sour. This is so good. Oh my gosh. It's not spicy at all. I don't know, maybe just a tiny little bit. And then I also got some corn and sweet potato. Oh, really good. Wow. at the art museum, and this is a park like around. Very nice. They have little stands here where they sell a lot of books. Haven't seen that before, and I will try to find out. I think it's this building there. Decided to take a quick break because I've already been walking a lot today, and I got this cheesecake. Way better than the cafe I went to today in the morning for breakfast. Cheesecake's very good. It tastes like an orange sauce or something on top. So this was a really nice cafe. It's inside a museum, quiet, you have Wi-Fi that works. The entrance fee for the museum was 30 soles. So every time I enter a museum, even if I just carry my camera, all of the people are like, oh, you can't use this. I've come to another destination, which is this park. I thought it's called Aquas Park. There is a different sign in front of the park, however, this thing here somewhere behind me is called the Magic Circuit. Before I go home, I decided to get one of these. They have all these little stands here. I couldn't resist to get at least a little something. Another place that you don't want to miss out on when you come to Lima is Miraflores. Everyone will tell you to go there. It's a beautiful place. My Airbnb is in this area, and very close to the center you got also this park, Parc de l'Amour. And you can tell kinda if you can see the iconic statue here in the background why it's called that. You're basically here directly at the beach, at the coast. It's just a really nice area to hang out and to take pictures and to take a walk. I came here pretty early, and compared to the other places I went to, here are already a couple of people like taking walks, jogging, running, practicing kickboxing, all kinds of things, yoga. If I follow this route, I will come to another viewpoint like the lighthouse. This is totally walkable from Parc de l'Amour along the coast to this lighthouse. For breakfast I decided to try this place here. Just found it on Google Maps and they seem to have Wi-Fi. The top part is great, but like this. This is like a lemon cream. Such a nice balance. I'm now in the center of Miraflores. This is a good place, for example, if you want to go shopping, if you want to get a coffee, if you want to go to a nice restaurant. They have so many shops here. And yeah, they also have tons of cats here. I don't know how many I already saw. I wanted to go to a different place for lunch, but this place was really good. The food, very healthy and also super nice. Hey guys, don't forget to join me on my trip around the world by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Also don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I see you then in the next one.